Pow, pow. Yes. I be you all you dey strong. I be nobody they shake. No fear. Beef or no beef, we still go dey strong. We still go dey strong. Yes. Another quick one. Make I tell you people something. Uh, say we all we know say Shatawale they like Shatawale if you make things the trend for this country inside. Wow, we know. He dey make things the trend. He make Bieja. Have you know Bieja? Then we Bieja time. Adredas. Have you put a kind of time? Yes. You see, anything that always touch becomes gold. Anything it touches becomes gold. It dey make people the trend. Shatawale right now, make I tell you. Right now, before you go give anybody hype, make the person pay money. Even if you go insult the person, you can make it pay before you insult them. This policy, I go see to it, say the shutter movement bosses where they the head. I go make them put this law across. Anything that Awali go touch, the trend. You see, 2015, 2016, thereabout, where Shatawale dropped some song like SM God, you know that song, yeah, that song. You see, after he dropped the song, now see, so many years ago, now 2021, he dropped another one called One Dawn, and now look at it, just what you okay, what different thing where you they see around in town now? What be the different thing where you they see right now? And all of a sudden, everybody want to turn one something. Even the madman way they go for they walk on the street on Accra street for chocolate and temami and things. Or right now 110 one mad king. You see, this is it. This is who he is. He put food on everybody's table. He makes sure people have fun. That is Shatawale for you. It trends things. You see, right now everybody want to be one something. Right now we get one don, one king, one god, and now so they talk, we get one queen. And another one way they shock me be the one way everybody go check. There's an artist in Ghana. I don't know if you people know her. His name is Buddha Man. If my man was my boss to that. He post something on in war right now. He say Mr. They take out give himself. They talk say he be want something, but he say somebody be want something. He say Mr. Logic. I be one you know Mr. Logic. Oh yeah, no Mr. Logic. Yeah, I be no sorry, bandana from Ghana days and sorry dancehall king days. Dancehall king. Mr. Logic. I remember he was the big man behind that song. That one they will know. That will be a big man behind that song. Yes, big up to Mr. Logic every time. But Mr. Buddha man say. Mr. Logic, everybody be one don, one king, whatever, one word. He say Mr. Logic be one idiot. Oh, that one there be low key. He be low key cry. So Buddha man beg. If something they come again, that one there be low key cry. But why you go talk to somebody be one idiot? Well, maybe in his kingdom, Mr. Logic is the only, I'm sorry to say, the only idiot for his kingdom. Maybe. But we there, we don't say, Ghana, when we come to idiot there, plenty day. Be one, plenty day. It be only one done way we get. One done, because he the train the thing, he make everybody, right now see, everybody want to, and all of a sudden, you see, the difference in this is that, they say, be say, you see, normally Shatawale they trend things. They trend only in the media among musicians, journalists, bloggers. They trend. But now, as how they talk, the thing they trend for town everywhere. Where everybody somebody where is not a celebrity, or somebody where they part of this group I mentioned, like the celebrities, the musicians, that kind of they there. Somebody where they on the street of maybe Pandu safe. He say if you want something, and that's how it is. That's how it is. Yeah. That be how a good day. If you go Shatawale, just you see when you listen to the One Dawn song, he talk something for inside. He say life way he they live. The life way they live, Shatawale they live. They force him. They force him. It just the flow. They come. That's how it is. That's how they create time to be creative. It do things. It touch the thing. It become blessing. So that's why they tell you say when you wake up in the morning, safe. You for mention Shatawale in name 30 times after you pray to God. When you pray to God, you mention Shatawale name, one down, 30 times. When you go out now, blessings are go follow, blessings are go follow. Yeah, man. Big up yourself for watching. You know what's up? If you know say you no subscribe to the channel yet, I beg. After you watch this thing finish, it go end. No, just do am before it go be too late. Do am. Then next time we drop something, no, bam, you go see say zippy. It dey your inbox inside, or it dey your notification bottom inside. You know what I dey talk. Yeah, we dey street, no shaking car. Devcado TV, we got your back. Soon we go get you something on the street very very soon, cry. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting, and keep sharing for a brother. If a brother succeed, brother man, you too you go succeed. Inshallah, like I always say, pick up yourselves.